Salam! Today we're going to be making lentil stew, Daal. There's a million types of dal out there. Split for creamier dals versus whole for more texture. Hulled for silkier dals versus unhulled for more fiber. Different types of legumes as well. But this one's a pretty basic one you can build off of.
You're going to need half a cup of split masoor or red dal for heartiness, 3/4 cup of split moong or yellow dal for lightness. Together both will make a good balance. And split dals don't need to be soaked, but make sure to wash them. 4 cups of water, so about a 3:1 ratio of water to dal. Salt, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. For the tadka or tempering, 3 whole dried red peppers, 4 cloves of garlic sliced, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 5 to 6 curry leaves, and 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil. And at the end, 4 to 6 Thai chili sliced and half a bunch of cilantro chopped.
Dal by itself is pretty bland. So to add back flavor, we're going to do a process called tadka or tempering spices. Quickly heat up ghee or oil, fry whole spices to release its oils, then pour over the final dish.
First, in a pot, add the masoor and moong dals, water, and salt on high and bring to a boil. Once boiling, add the tomato paste, red chili powder, and turmeric powder. Turn to low, cover, and simmer for 30 minutes until tender. You can add more water as needed for your desired thickness. At this stage, some people like to blend their dal, but I prefer a bit more texture. In a pan, melt the ghee on medium-high, add the whole red peppers, garlic slices, cumin seeds, and curry leaves, and fry these only for 1 to 2 minutes, then pour into the dal pot. Then, add in the peppers and cilantro and mix everything together.
Bismillah. I think dal is okay, but the tadka infuses all of the necessary garlic and curry flavors. Dal's strength also is that it can be used in a whole variety of different ways. Mixed into rice or other dishes, eaten with different types of flatbreads like naan or roti, or depending on its thickness, as a soup or stew like here.